Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you the superstar from our sublimation machine family. Please meet our Easy Multi 7-in-1 mark press. And if you want to start a new sublimation mark printing business, or if you want to expand your business and update your product category by adding some sublimation marks, bottles, and tumblers, this amazing machine is the must-have for you because it comes with 7 mark heaters and all of them can be used to print all kinds of sublimation drinkware, and each mark heater is suitable for printing multiple items. Like this one here can be used to print some 6-ounce to 10-ounce marks, and this one here in front of me is perfect for the 11-ounce to 15-ounce marks, and this one here is the smallest straight mark heater, and it's perfect for the 3-ounce mini marks such as some espresso marks. And this one here is special for the stainless steel tumblers and bottles. And we also have some cone-shaped mark heaters. This smallest one is for the 1.5-ounce shot glasses. And these 2 larger ones are for the cone-shaped ceramic marks. This one is for the 17-ounce marks, and this one is for the 12-ounce marks. And all these 7 mark heaters can be attached to this mark press and wrap the items tightly and produce even heat to bring you perfect print. So next, why not we just move on to see how to use this mark press, and let's print some items. First, let's see the structure of the mark press. It is composed of a handle, 2 pressure knobs, a control box, and a component to install the mark heaters. If you want to attach a mark heater, first loose these 4 screws on the machine, and then grab one mark heater, and you can see 4 screws. Line them up with the 4 holes on the machine and put them inside, and tighten these 4 screws. And each heater comes with a connect cable. You need to insert it into this interface port and fasten the screw. Next, you need to adjust the pressure. Put the mark you want to print into the mark heater and press it to feel the pressure. If it's too low, turn the knobs anti-clockwise, and if it's too high, turn the knobs clockwise to reduce it. Then you can turn on the machine, and the switch is on the right side of the control box. Then you can set the parameters. And here are 5 buttons on the control box. The green execution button to start countdown, and 2 adjusting buttons, the mode button, and the button for switching temperature unit. You can choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. Then press the mode button to set the lowest temperature. Then press it again to set the highest temperature. Then press it once again to set the printing time. Then press it one last time to save all the settings. Now the machine is heating up, and you know how to use it. Let's go sublimating. So do you guys like the printer results? All the colors are great and beautiful, and it's very easy and fast to get it done with this amazing Mac press. So get it right now. It's definitely a well worth investment to bring you more profits. And you can send email to best@bestsub.net to place your orders, and we will send you back with more product information and the price. And also please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.